Hi guys! Today's video is going to be a unboxing from, once again, Kurt Geiger. So if you're interested in seeing what that is, keep on watching. If you're new to my channel and you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button below, as I'd love for you to join my YouTube family. So today's video, like I said, is something from Kurt Geiger. So I've gone ahead and I have removed it from its packaging. So let's go ahead and take it out of the bag. And this one has its dust bag that says Kurt Geiger on it, London. So let's take it out, guys. I've not seen it yet. I've purchased it online. Oh, look at the colors on this. It is so 70s, guys. And this is genuine leather. And it is in the brass gold. I love the eagle head. Look at the crystals. They are done in the gold and the eyes are black. So let me go ahead and take the plastic off the handle. I've gone ahead, guys, and I've taken the plastic off. The chain is extremely light. It's in like a copper bronzy color. It's quite a small bag. It is genuine leather. Here is the side view. And the back. I just love the colors. And the other side. The bottom with no feet. And it does have the stamp of Kurt Geiger on it. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. I like this little flap detail. Magnetic closure. And it's just got Kurt Geiger stamped there in the front with a fabric lining. The top of it here is leather. I just love this little bag. And look at the colors on it. The green, the blue, the gray, the pink, the gold, the yellow. Is that not stunning? What a cute little bag. I will go ahead and I will list the dimensions in the description bar below. I just love this little bag, guys. What do you think? And I know that Gucci has now come out with one that's got the similar stripes in it. The colors are a little more light pastel opposed to these ones that are bright and bold. They've got some shoes out. A couple of the other houses are starting to do the same type of bag. So if you're interested in that one, guys, go check it out. This one I purchased once again from Nordstrom's.ca on their website. Not quite sure. You can always go on the site and see if there is. Anyway, I wanted to show you what it looks like. You could wear it as a on-the-shoulder bag. Look at the sparkle on the eagle head from the crystals. So cute. But anyway, nevertheless, here it is on the shoulder. Sits nice and comfortable. Not too high, not too low. You can also wear it as a crossbody bag because it does have the grommets here at the top. Let's go ahead and do that. Lots of chain left, so if you are a little taller than I am, it allows you to be able to wear it. It's a little longer on the hip for me. I am 5'2" for reference, but it's still doable. Love this little bag, guys. Look at the color on it. So guys, I have gone ahead and I've tucked the chain inside so it can now be worn as a clutch. I like the versatility of bags like this where you can wear it multiple ways. So there it is up close, guys. The color is just beautiful. The leather is really nice and soft. It's not hard. There's a close-up of the head. That's what sold me on this bag. Beautiful, beautiful little bag. Once again, as a clutch. So guys, this is a tag that it did come with. It says Kurt Geiger on it. as well as the price on the back. I paid I think $79.99 for this one on sale. And it was an amazing find for real leather, beautiful style, retro back to the 70s. I just really, really like it. So guys, till next time, remember, define your style. Do not be afraid to express it, because that's who you are. Stay safe, guys. Bye-bye.